Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use Concate or Concatenate in Excel. Okay, so the Concate is available in 2019 plus version and in Excel, and Concatenate is available in 2000 plus. Okay, so this is latest version and this is the oldest version. Okay, so I will show you how to use both of the version. Okay, so first I will show you the latest version. So if you want to combine these two cells, okay, B2 and C2, so what you have to do, you have to use this concate. Okay, so you have to just equals to, now type concate. Okay, then you have to just select both of them, bracket close, and then you will see the both. Okay, both cells has been combined. But if we use this equals to and concatenate, okay, and if we choose both cell together, okay, and bracket close, you will see this will not do that thing. So what you have to do, you have to use concatenate, you have to equals to, then concatenate. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to choose one by one. Okay, first v2 comma, then c2. Okay, then bracket close. So like this you can use concatenate or concate in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.